you know, this hit like a ton of bricks, of course, and I'm sure everybody feels the same way. And I work in people's homes, so it's one of those things. I had to cancel clients so that it would keep them safe and me safe. And I have, I have been putting together some of these programs so that I can help clients virtually. Anyone that, you know, reaches out to me, I'm more than happy to help and write up a little DIY plan and perhaps, get some sort of organization in your home since you're home anyway. I know that a lot of times people will start a project, get distracted, kids are home, husband's home, and we, you know, we'll get back to it another day, 2 days, 3 days go by, and then we just never get to it. So that's why I want to help people so that they can, you know, get on with their lives, even though they're all stuck at home, and see how that works. So I'm sure that, some of us have been feeling really stuck at home, and it's really not a hi, Ellen and Shelley. Oh, I'm so glad you're all joining in. I should be outside on this beautiful day, but I thought this would be a great time to kind of connect with some of my people and talk about virtual organizing. So really, if there's something that you need help with, you can message me. I will set up a time for us that I can put a little plan together and guide you through it. I could either virtually, we could do like photos or video you could send me, and I could write you a little plan up if it's a closet or a little cabinet. We can, kind of get you situated that way. And I give you a lot of homework, and you could just maybe get through something a little quicker if you had guidance from a professional. So, does anybody have any questions about how it works? No questions. I did do a live virtual organizing with my sister, and it was a lot of fun because it's my sister. Of course, it was fun. It was easy, and she like tore apart one of her makeup drawers and went through everything, and you don't have to go live. That's obvious. I mean, she was brave to go live with me and do that, but it's a private thing. I mean, anything that you send me is private, unless of course you don't mind that I use it, on social media for my business. But any of your pictures, videos, those are all private, and that would only be between you and myself. I don't know. I mean, if you have any questions at all about any part of the virtual organizing or organization in general, hopefully we'll get back on track and be able to be back in your homes. But for the meantime, we're stuck and we have to do this. Does anybody else feel really stuck today? Are you feeling okay? Is there anything you want to talk about? I don't know. I mean, I'm just kind of, I'm so new to these videos that it's really hard if I'm not interactive with somebody physically. Hi, Carol. Oh, my friends are joining in. I love it. I love it. I love it. We should do a Zoom on my group here. Would anybody be interested in doing a Zoom meeting about organization and we could chat that way? Is that easier? I would enjoy that. So anyway, basically been talking about virtual organizing, and how it would work is that you would contact me and I would have a little conversation with you about your areas to be organized, and you would send me pictures, and I would write up a little DIY plan, um, and go from there. And then I would give you some homework. So if you have any other questions, I am definitely up for a conversation. You can call me, you can message me. sweetspacesnj.com is my website. sweetspacesnj@gmail.com. No, yes, at gmail.com is my email address. And you could sign up for my newsletter on my website if you want any more ideas and tips and anything like that. So, is there any questions? No, no questions. Okay, I'm just gonna get off now. And if there's anything that anybody wants to talk about, you can certainly message me. I know I'm like all jittery and nervous and jumping around here, but I'm not used to this. So I'm just want to start doing these videos maybe about once a week and see how that goes. So stay tuned. If you have topics you want to talk about, just drop them in the Facebook group, and we can have a conversation about, you know, whatever your topic is. All right. So I will see you all soon, hopefully. I miss you all. And yeah, so that's it. Okay. Have a great day. Love you all. Bye.